Hello, and welcome to another episode of Xact Hacks, a video series by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about editing a project name in X1. First, let's thank this week's sponsor. This week's video is brought to you by Cleaning and Restoration Magazine. C&R Magazine is a legacy publication independently serving and partnering with the restoration and cleaning industry. Today, C&R features a bi-monthly print magazine, as well as a robust online presence including web-exclusive articles, videos, podcasts, industry news updates, and more. Subscribe for free at cnrmagazine.com. All right, so let's talk about editing project names in Xactimate. In X1, as you can see here, I have open on my screen, I am in my local tab. And when I try to right-click an estimate, for example, the way that we may have edited project names in Xactimate 28, there is no right-click option here. And so the first time that I was actually getting into X1, I was like, hey, how exactly do I edit a project name? So I thought this would be a good Xact hack. I'm going to click on this estimate here, dupe test, and you'll see a menu bar shows up on the right side with various options. The option that I'm looking for is this I, the project preview at the top of the menu. When I clicked project preview, you will see that I have a name of the project here, a project name, and I have the ability to edit the project name here, the insured name, the project name, or the claim name. We'll call this dupe test changed, and I will hit save here. Once I hit save, now it has officially changed the name of the project. So if you're looking in this column and you're wondering how do I change a project name, just click the project, hit the I in the top right of this menu bar here, and hit edit so that you can change the name. I hope you enjoyed this week's Xact Hacks. Good luck settling claims out there. If you could, please like, share, subscribe wherever you're watching, and we will see you next week.